Hello friends. Welcome back to our Learn English with Jay and Anna channel. And I am Anna.
I am Jay. Anna, before we start today's episode.
Yes, Jay?
I want to say something to everyone watching.
Go ahead, Jay.
If you are learning English right now,
and sometimes English feels difficult,
please remember something important.
You do not need perfect English to start speaking.
Simple English is enough.
One sentence every day is enough.
And today, we will practice English through a peaceful morning walk.
I love this topic already.
Because morning walks feel calm, fresh, and relaxing.
And the English is very simple for beginners.
Exactly.
So everyone, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation.
Let's begin.
Okay, Jay. First question. What time do you wake up?
Every morning, I wake up early.
How early?
Around 5:30.
5:30? Jay, that is so early.
I know, Anna. But mornings feel beautiful at that time.
Okay, everyone, repeat after Jay.
I wake up early in the morning.
One more time.
I wake up early in the morning.
Beautiful. Very simple and useful English. So what do you do after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth.
Very normal daily English.
Then I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water in the morning?
Yes. It wakes me up immediately.
Everyone say this sentence.
I wash my face with cold water.
Good job, everyone.
After that, I wear comfortable clothes.
Comfortable means easy and relaxed.
Then I wear my shoes and go outside.
Repeat after Jay.
I wear my shoes and go outside.
Okay, Jay. You are outside now. How does it feel?
Honestly, the fresh air feels amazing.
Fresh air in the morning feels so peaceful.
The weather is cool and fresh.
Everyone repeat together.
The weather is cool and fresh. The sky is light blue.
And the sun is rising slowly.
Birds are singing in the trees.
I love that sentence so much.
Everyone say it together. Birds are singing in the trees.
So Jay, where do you usually walk?
I usually walk in a small park near my home.
Parks feel very peaceful in the morning.
Yes. The park is clean and green.
Peaceful means calm and quiet.
The park is clean and peaceful.
Repeat everyone.
The park is clean and peaceful.
What do you usually see in the park?
I see many people walking slowly. Some people are jogging.
Jogging means running slowly for exercise.
A few old people are doing yoga together.
That sounds very relaxing.
Some people are stretching their arms and legs.
Stretching helps your body relax before exercise.
I also see two women talking and smiling together.
Friends enjoying their morning walk.
Sometimes children are playing happily in the park.
Children always have so much energy.
I want that energy too.
Me too, Jay. Me too.
Honestly, morning walks make me feel calm and relaxed.
Fresh air really changes your mood.
Walking helps me clear my mind.
Sometimes we just need a quiet moment.
Exactly. Sometimes I stop near a tree and take a deep breath.
That sounds peaceful.
I take a deep breath and feel relaxed.
Everyone repeat together.
I take a deep breath and feel relaxed.
Simple English can sound very beautiful.
Exactly. You do not need difficult words all the time.
So Jay, what happens after your walk?
I go back home and drink water. Then I eat breakfast.
What is your favorite breakfast?
Honestly, pasta.
Of course.
Always.
And after breakfast?
I feel fresh, relaxed, and ready for the day.
That is the power of a morning walk.
And honestly, English improves the same way.
Small daily practice creates big improvement later.
Even 10 minutes every day can help a lot.
Before we finish, let's repeat a few useful sentences together.
I wake up early in the morning.
I go outside for a walk.
The weather is cool and fresh.
Birds are singing in the trees.
I see people doing yoga.
I feel calm and relaxed.
Beautiful job, everyone.
You are improving step by step.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today.
Don't forget to subscribe to Learn English with Jay and Anna for more simple English conversations.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep speaking slowly and confidently.
And we will see you in the next episode. Bye everyone.